About 15 months ago, I was looking for opportunities to do some more volunteer work, and one that came up was for the ReStore. It was great because there's times where, I don't feel like going out on a build, and it's a different type of thing. Hi, I'm John Lear, and I'm a volunteer at the ReStore. I just make a quick pass through the store to see what has come in from the previous day, what needs to be done, changing the layout on the floor to make things flow more efficiently, helping unload the trucks, sorting out what's going to go out to the floor. May end up helping customers load their purchases into their cars as well. It varies from day to day, and it's always changing. That's one thing that I really like about it. The first time I came in, I didn't know if I was going to be lost or not. But there's always been somebody to be paired up with. It kind of helps you get familiar with the store. The Habitat mission is a great choice for me. It marries up well with my values and helping people get into homes and build stronger neighborhoods. I think it's a great organization, and I really like all the people that I've met here and work with and volunteer with. The culture is real supportive. It's a real fun place to be.